How to fix Apple ID on App Store. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on your avatar icon at the top right. And if you face any type of issues inside your Apple ID or your iCloud account, just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, until you find the sign out. Just click the sign out and confirm and re-sign in with your account on your app store, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to the general settings right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find the general. In the general, I'm gonna move on to the next step, which is the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version so you can actually have access to all the new features, including the app store, because it only updates after the iOS is updated as well. So basically, you have to update your iOS. If that didn't work out with you, just go back to general, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into transferring or reset iPhone, and I'm gonna just hit reset right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just reset all settings, especially the settings that you changed throughout the months or latest months. So basically, you will need to go ahead and reset all settings, enter your passcode, and basically your account will be reset and all of your settings will be reset on iPhone, and it will be back to default, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.